Okay, on this video, we will be creating your account or your profile on Fiverr. Once you have created your email, like the one that we created a while ago, the email address, username, once you're done with that and then you activated your profile using the email address that's associated with your Fiverr account, you are good to go. Now, like I mentioned on the first video, yung ginawa mong account can be for a seller and a buyer at the same time. So you can switch, sorry, switch yung identity. It's either you are a seller or you are um, a freelancer or a buyer, ganyan. So click on become a seller dito if you will be selling your service as a freelancer. So once we click on that, you will see this part and then just go ahead and click again become a seller, and then there you go. You will now be able to see here how to start selling on Fiverr. Meaning to say, when you are a seller, you are selling your service. If you are a buyer, you are buying something like a client. Okay? Okay, so now we are the seller. So we are going to publish our first gig. But first, let's create your Fiverr account. So just go ahead and read that. What makes a successful profile? Create your seller profile, add your picture, blah, blah, blah. Publish your gig. Please watch this video as well. Now, what makes a successful Fiverr profile? Please read all this. Please take time. So, take your time in creating your profile. Add credibility by linking your professional account. So, if you have LinkedIn, kung meron ka mga portfolio, accurately describe your professional skills. Put a face or your profile picture, and then you will also be needing to verify your ID, driver's license or passport, ganyan. Okay. Now, some of the things that can be grounds for becoming suspended on Fiverr are the following. When you mislead an information, when you open a duplicate account. Now, this account that I am creating, I will delete this after, because like I told you, I already have an existing account. So Fiverr does not allow any duplicate account. For the purposes of this training, I am creating this. But like I said, I will delete this because I already have an existing one. You cannot create another account on Fiverr. You can always create more gigs naman. Okay, like if you have a multi and super very talented. Soliciting is not allowed. Requesting to take some communication and payment outside of Fiverr is so not allowed as well. Look at this, guys. There will be a lot of opportunities here inside. So I strongly suggest that when you find a client on Fiverr, just stay within the premise. Okay, because when you communicate outside and you take it out of that, there's a possibility that you will not be returning on Fiverr for good na yan. So, ingatan natin ang ating mga accounts. So, let's go ahead and provide your full name. This will be, lahat ng may asterisk na red will be um, mandatory. Okay? So, profile picture, let's, meron ba akong profile picture dito? Wala yata. Ayan, sample lang ha. Ayan. Tapos description, I made a ready description here na. This is not the best ha. I just wanna show you para mabilisan lang. Pero sabi 'di ba, take your time when you are creating your account. So hanap tayo mamaya ng maayos na profile picture natin. Tapos ito, just put your description here. Remember that you have about 600 characters here, and then next is your languages. Now, for the languages, English, of course. Do you have a basic, conversational, fluent? Kapag ka first language mo siya, of course, it's native. If you're fluent, then click on fluent, then click on add. Um, I'm not sure if Filipino would matter here, because usually mga English clients lang naman karamihan. Your occupation, so you can choose any of this one that's closest to you. If not, so dalawa, no, pwede. Pwedeng other. Kung wala dito sa mga nabanggit, if your profession is not here, you can click on other. And then the other, it will bring up more options. So, let's see. Digital marketing, I don't know. Let's see. 2016 to 2022. We can click on add new. Video animation. I like that too. Character animation. Whiteboard. This was something that I discovered pretty recently that I like. Sobrang love ko siya ngayon. Gumawa ng mga mga animation skills. So, just play along with this one. And then there will be drop down na ibibigay ni let's say intermediate na ibibigay ni Fiverr sa atin. Click add new. So you just go ahead and play along with the skills, something like that. In your education, I am from the Philippines. This doesn't matter that much, so just go ahead and click that. They don't care about this so much. What's important is yung mga skills. Bakit puro J to? Journalism. Okay, kung wala, di ba puro J, 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 J. Click on journalism. Yan, para isasuggest mo siya kay Fiverr. Meron na ba? I click add, di ba? Ayan. And then year 2004. Nalaman nyo tuloy ang aking certification. Since these things naman look, wala silang mga asterisk, pwede nating balikan yan later on. You can always edit. And then if you have a personal website or your LinkedIn account, click here and put it there. Make sure you've added your years of experience. I think I did it, no? Okay, let's... And 2 to 5 of your strongest skills. Ay, wala pala ako ditong Okay, 2 to 5 of your strongest skills. Sorry. Visual effects and character animation, logo animation. Oh, video editing too. Tingnan natin. Ayan na. And then, you have to verify your account so you can connect your email connected, and then your professional service. Notice yung completion rate niya tumataas habang nagko-complete ka. And then we are now verified sa ating email address. You can add your phone number here later on, and then continue and create your gig. Alright, so a minimum completion of 65% dapat is required. So what you are going to do is go ahead and click on profile once again. You have to complete the following: your social network, your phone number, because I am live right now. So I will pause this video and I will enter some of my my phone number and social network and education details, and I will see you on the next video once everything is completed. So you have to go back there, and then once you did all those recommendations, makikita mo na magiging successful rate niya is about 65 to 100%. Okay, so let's go ahead and complete that behind the camera and then I will see you on the next video.